The 2023 Lotus Eletre is Lotus' first EV SUV, and it represents a deviation from the brand's tradition of manufacturing lightweight two-seater sports cars. Lotus hopes the Eletre can be a practical lifestyle vehicle customers need while it still maintains the sports car pedigree and fun-to-drive feel Lotus is known for. So let's look at 9 things you need to know about the 2023 Lotus Eletre. The Eletre represents a clear change of direction for Lotus. This SUV will be the biggest and heaviest car that Lotus has ever built. It will even be the first one to have the ability to drive off-road. This is a huge gamble for a company that is seeking to expand its global presence and customer base. The company hopes to boost its accessibility as two-seater sports cars can exclude many buyers by putting out this SUV. Higher-ups at Lotus have indicated the necessity for them to provide a Lotus for customers at all points in their lives. The Eletre is available in 3 different specifications: Eletre, Eletre S, and Eletre R. The most basic of the Eletre features the single-speed 450 kilowatt with a 603 horsepower EV powertrain with a maximum range of 373 miles. The enhanced Eletre S comes with the same powertrain as the basic Eletre. The Eletre S does have additional features such as privacy glass, an active rear spoiler, configurable ambient lighting, illuminated side sills, soft door close, auto-dimming side mirrors, and an air quality system. The flagship Eletre R version features the 675 kilowatt with a 905 horsepower dual-speed system powertrain with 304 miles. The Eletre R is marketed as the fastest dual-motor pure electric SUV in the world. It has a top speed of 165 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.95 seconds. This will make some people stick to the back of their seats. The standard Eletre R spec also includes track mode, gloss black wheels, stainless steel sports pedals, black badging, and high-performance tires. Like other EVs, the Lotus Eletre features autonomous driving technology. The Eletre being Level 4 autonomous means that it can drive completely autonomously under the proper settings. Deployable LiDAR technology is standard in the Lotus Eletre, and it's the world's first in a production car. Lotus has gotten around the chunkiness of LiDAR technology by hiding its deployable sensors on top of the windshield, on top of the rear glass, and the front of the wheel arches. Even though regulations do not allow for the level of autonomous driving that the Eletre features, integrated OTA software update capabilities ensure that the system will be ready when regulations allow for it. Lotus has not forgotten its history as a sports car manufacturer when designing its first ever SUV. The Eletre has been tested extensively at the Nürburgring, and the lessons from these testing sessions have been implemented into the car in the form of track mode. This feature is exclusive to the Eletre R as well as part of its standard specification. It provides a lowered ride height and more performance-oriented settings. These include rear-wheel steering, adaptive dampers, and active anti-roll bars. This mode delivers a higher level of performance for more ambitious drivers. Track mode also includes a fully open active grille and launch control, giving instant access to the car's full power. The Lotus Eletre can even be fitted with ceramic brakes for those who love driving on the track. Being an EV, the Lotus Eletre already has a quite comfortable interior. Many of the hard surfaces are formed from recycled carbon fiber, durable man-made microfibers on the principal touchpoints, and wool blend on the seats, which is apparently 50% lighter than leather. The interior is detailed with a triangular theme which mirrors the car's active grille. The Eletre is decked out with a 1,380-watt, 15-speaker system manufactured by KEF, a high-end English audio company. Interestingly enough, like Lotus, KEF is another British company with Chinese owners. The standard seat package is the traditional SUV 5-seat layout, but it is also available in a 4-seat executive package. The interiors of the Eletre are fabricated from sustainable materials, and the carpets and trunk liner are made of 100% recycled fiber. The production of this material has no waste, which adds to the environmental friendliness of this vehicle. An option for the seats is environmentally friendly leather, which is said to be longer-lasting genuine leather. The Eletre will feature a 112 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which is said to be able to charge from 10 to 80% full in about 20 minutes, making it the Usain Bolt of electric car batteries. Although these charging speeds would make it one of the fastest charging electric SUVs out there, these flash-like speeds can only be achieved through a rapid charger and an ample amount of electricity. The charging ports on the Eletre also feature AC and DC charging. This is a very practical feature of the Eletre. The Eletre is quite a futuristic car, and the LED lights illuminating the interiors make it look like you're in a spaceship. Most of the car's features are controlled electronically, and it has a 15.1-inch full high-definition OLED center screen. The car also has an intelligent cockpit infotainment system, and it even has 360-degree cameras for side mirrors. Notwithstanding these futuristic characteristics, the Eletre still features analog metal buttons on the steering wheel, which will surely please the old-school people. Perhaps the most striking feature of this car is its bodywork marked with vents and ducts. These don't just make the car look fantastic, they channel air throughout the car, making it very aerodynamically efficient. This boosts the Eletre's range, a very important consideration when dealing with an EV. The aerodynamic ducts also help the Eletre achieve its 165 miles per hour top speed and improve handling. The vents are also featured on the car's active grille, open and close, deploying when the powertrain requires cooling. Lotus' experience with optimized aerodynamics can be seen all over this car's design. Although the Eletre, to some extent, maintains Lotus' sporty feel, this SUV comes with some practical features. For example, the car's height can be altered to make loading the trunk easier. This isn't it, there is also an electronically controlled towing system that can be deployed through a button in the trunk. The Eletre comes with 400 liters of trunk space in the back and 77 liters in the front trunk. It may not be the most practical SUV in the world, but if you want to drive a Lotus and have a family, it is certainly not a bad choice.